Good morning, grade 1 students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. As we have already studied about parts of plant in this unit, today we will read different examples of parts of plants. How do we get different food items from which part of plant? First of all, we will write date 13 July 2020, classwork and day Monday on the top of page number 46. Carrots, CARROTS, underline the word carrots. Potatoes, POTATOES, potatoes. Turnip, TUR, NIPS, turnip. RADISH, radish. R, example, EXAMPLES, examples, underline the word examples. OF, of, roots that we eat. So, carrot, potatoes, turnip, radish. These are examples of root. What are the examples of root? Turnip, carrot, potato and radish. These are examples of root. Asparagus, 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 underline the word asparagus. And celery, CELERY, underline the word celery, are examples of stem that we eat. Asparagus and celery are example of stem. These two are example of stem. Cabbage, 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 underline the word cabbage. Spinach, 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 underline the word spinach. AND mint, mint, ARER, example of leaves, LEAVES, leaves that we eat. Cabbage, spinach and mint. These are example of leaves that we eat. CAULIFLOWER, cauliflower, underline the word cauliflower. And broccoli, 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 are example of flowers that we eat. Cauliflower and broccoli, these are example of flowers. Mango, banana and apple are example of fruit that we eat. Mango, banana and apple, these are example of fruit that we eat. So we read about different examples of parts of plant, that carrot, potato, radish and turnip. These are examples of root. Asparagus and celery, these are examples of stem. Cabbage, spinach and mint, these are example of leaves. Cauliflower and broccoli, these are examples of flowers. And mango, banana and apple, these are examples of fruits that we eat. Look at the picture below. Can you identify which is not a fruit? Pear, yes, pear is a fruit. Cauliflower, no. Banana, yes. Tomato, no. Carrot, no. Apple, yes. So banana, apple and pear, these are fruits. Now we will move to the next page, page number 47. Growing plants. How do we grow a plant? GROWING, growing, PLANTS, plants, growing plants. Plants need light, water and soil to grow, as we need a food and water to live and grow. In the same way, plants are also living things, and plants need light, water and soil to grow. They take water and minerals. Underline the word minerals. minerals, minerals, from the soil to make their own food. So, as we have already studied that plants are living thing, and the leaves make a food for the plant to use water, sunlight to make a food for the plant. So plants take water and minerals from the soil to make their food. Plants make their food with the help of leaves. The part which help the plant to make a food, leaves help the plant to make a food. Plants grow from seeds and produce, 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 underline the word produce, flowers, fruits and seeds. Plant grow from seed and it will make flowers, fruits and seeds. Let's grow a bean plant. Carrot, potatoes, turnip, radish are examples of fruits that we eat. So let's grow a bean plant. Today we will grow a bean plant. So how do we grow a bean plants? We need some things. Material, 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 underline the word material, required, required, material required. Material means things required. Which things we are required to grow a bean plant? Plant pot, seed, soil, watering can, watering, watering, can, underline the word watering can. A light and airy, airy, underline the word airy, space, spac, space, to grow your bean. So which things we required to grow a plants? We need a plant pot, seed, soil, watering can and light and air to grow your bean. So we will follow different steps to grow a bean plant. Number 1, first of all we will take a plant pot. Fill a pot half, 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 underline the word half, full with soil. First of all we will take a plant pot, then we will add soil in the plant pot. Number 2, plant a seed on soil, then we will plant a seed on a soil. We will put the seed of a bean in a soil. Number 3, give water to the soil, then we will give water to the soil. Place, underline the word place, the pot in sunlight. SUN, LIGHT, sunlight means light of sun. Then we will place this bean plant pot in sunlight. Water, number 5, water regularly, regularly, regularly. Then we will give water to the bean plant on the daily basis. So we followed 5 steps to grow a bean plant. Number 1, सबसे पहले हम एक क्या लेंगे, प्लांट पोट लेंगे और उसमें सॉइल मिट्टी डालेंगे. सेकंड में हम क्या करेंगे कि जो सीड है बीन का उसको हम उस सॉइल में लगा देंगे. नंबर 3 क्या करेंगे, हम डेली जो हमने सीड लगाया उसको हम जो सॉइल है उसको पानी देंगे. नंबर 4 पे हम कौन सा स्टेप फॉलो करेंगे कि जो प्लांट पोट है उसको हम कहाँ पे रखेंगे, सनलाइट में रखेंगे, सूरज की रोशनी में रखेंगे. और नंबर 5 पे हम क्या करेंगे कि हम उसको डेली क्या देंगे, पानी देंगे. इस तरह हम कोई भी प्लांट जो है वो ग्रो कर सकते हैं इन स्टेप्स को फॉलो करके. स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू हैव मस्ट अंडरस्टूड the examples of different parts of plants and how to grow a plant very well. Now you have to read these 2 pages by yourself. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.